Okay, I got a new clock for Christmas. Made by Thunderbel. Got it for Christmas. It's got a built-in bell. This is a protective covering. The bell is actually inside here somewhere. Got the switch to turn the alarm on and off. Got the alarm adjustment knob and time adjustment knob. Here we have the battery case. This one's powering the clock and this one's powering the bells. And here we have the speed of the bells. We have the low speed, we have the high speed. Right now the time is 20 past 10. So let me just put the cover back on. This clock here is going to be replacing this one. This one has no battery backup, or it has the slot and power unit for it, but it just doesn't work with the battery in it. So that one's going to be his backup. This one is going to be the replacement because it just runs off batteries. So it's got its own little light. Got the snooze and light in there. It's a very nice clock. Oh, I think I've still got the instructions in my pocket. Guarantee. There's 12 months and shit on it. So, here are the instructions. Its own built-in diagram. And that's just about it. Thanks for watching, everyone.